Oh, the Razor Nitro is back in action. Oh.
Got its fenders on too.
Yep. It's different every time we look at this thing.
Changing. The owner can't make up his mind.
Yeah, working out all the kinks still, but yeah, it's coming along. We're out here and I don't even want to say where we're at, but we're here at some awesome trails. Having just a nice cruise on this beautiful Saturday.
Northern Michigan.
Yep. Oh, yeah. It's our first time exploring these trails in depth, so I have to come back here more often.
Yeah, they're nice change of pace.
Yep. Nice change of pace, that's for sure.
No chatter.
No, they're not chatterbump.
Not whooped out.
They're not whooped out. Not a lot of people out here. It's great.
Peaceful.
Well,
How's the XP 1000 with them?
It's always a ripper.
it's always a ripper.
Shocks suck, but that'll be fixed soon.
Shocks need rebuilt.
They're what?
At least it's not too chatterbumpy, so.
The dirtiest unit here. What the heck? You have the cleanest one.
He hasn't had time for a bath.
Welcome to my club.
Did you wash yours?
No.
It's just the rainwater?
I peeled the turbo stickers off it.
Oh, yeah.
Anymore.
That's true.
Made it look clean. There's a lot of mud off the front. A lot easier to wash.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get some nitro stickers, put it here. It's gonna look sweet.
Some 570 stickers down here to fool people.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna fool them all right. All right, let's get back to it.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Well, what we got going on?
Well, I think it was a series of unfortunate events. I'm not really sure what's going on. We did find some loose wiring around the battery, possibly a battery leak, possibly a bad key switch, and possibly a bad starter.
Yamaha, yay!
So it's not the RZR's fault. This is Yamaha's fault at this point.
My luck.
And maybe some of my fault, but so we're gonna take the starter off and test it and see. Right now we just got no juice.
But it was ripping good earlier today.
And we turned it off, and that was that.
Jesse had to stop and have a drink, and then nothing. Got towed home.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
She is all tore apart. Got the scrub over there, enjoying the swing.
Enjoying my day off.
Day off, making some Monopoly money.
Oh, I got that out in touch. We got some pliers.
Yeah.
So what did we figure out what was going on, Wyatt?
We have a bad starter.
Yup.
The scrub was right all along.
Yeah, he actually was right for once.
I don't want to tell him that, so go straight to his little scrubby head.
She is hot, and you can't turn nothing in there. She's done. This is probably the original starter, just out of nowhere. So we had bad wire ground issue, and then I guess bad starter. It was just all happened at once. Easy fix, but it sucks. I originally thought maybe the stator wasn't big enough to charge this battery, but the battery's fine.
Later that same evening.
Oh man, first kick. So we're getting the pitters out. We're over here at Wyatt's HQ, and we're gonna see what we can do.
Hell yeah.
Got the old Apollo 120,
25.
125, and then this is a 90?
73
Set-
or 80. I call it 80.
It's an 8,
80?
Baja 80. Woo! Oh yeah, purrs like a kitten.
Oh yeah. I need to trim some branches. I'm getting smoked.
Not bad.
Yeah,
I couldn't get out of first gear. I mean, it just...
I was in second and third.
Really? First gear? I mean, I hit second a couple times, but...
You're probably in second. First gear and that's like barely going.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe, I don't know.
I mean, I have went around it a lot though. I've been around that probably
Wait.
50, 60 times.
Yeah, I was in second the whole time.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Yeah, I was in second mostly too. This is a lot more ripper on that though. You can grab third like coming out of that corner.
Yeah. Yeah.
It needs,
More squiggles.
yeah, it needs more something.
More lines. This thing's pretty fun.
Oh yeah, it's a ripper. So that's up my track I made, my mini track, and
We made it bigger.
we just made it twice as big.
It's like we need to make some improvements.
So it's gonna be a figure 8,
Yep.
and we're gonna see how it goes.
Should be fine. Hopefully we don't get lost back there.
Yeah, hopefully that doesn't happen. What could possibly go wrong? That should definitely be the Rapaholic saying, what could
Yeah.
possibly go wrong? One kick. Oh, hey, that helps. Oh. This is my corner. Is it past the ramp? More?
Yeah.
I thought it was back there.
Oh, we got up here.
So like, I did mostly second gear, and then when I hit this stretch here, like in third
Okay.
on this.
I was in second pretty much the whole time. I think this has longer.
I like it, it's nice.
Yeah, I like it too. It's a lot more technical, more turns.
There's a couple trees that probably should disappear. I smoked that pine tree like twice in the middle.
All right, time trial. Okay.
And the second one is 52.30.
Damn!
Right there.
Yeah.
Holy f. Look at that corner. I need to smooth that out. That's where I'm fucking eating it. My front tire gets sideways and I'm just...
Yeah, well, that's probably because I've been giving her the beans right
No, the little knoll spot.
Oh.
Right before the corner.
Oh.
It's kicking my wheel and I'm like, oh, f here we go.